Today, almost everything we do depends on technology and the internet. Businesses need software, storage, and computing power anytime, from anywhere. Cloud computing means delivering computing services over the internet instead of your own computer. Think of it like electricity. You use it whenever you need it without owning the power station. Use when needed. No infrastructure. Cloud computing reduces cost while providing flexibility, scalability, reliability, and easy access. Cloud computing is mainly divided into 3 service models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service.
First is infrastructure as a service, or IaaS.
IaaS provides virtual servers, storage, networking, and other infrastructure resources.
Popular IaaS providers include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud.
PaaS provides everything developers need to build, test, deploy, and manage applications. Build, test, deploy, manage. Examples include Salesforce Platform, Google App Engine, and Azure App Service. Finally, software as a service, or SaaS.
Examples include Gmail, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce.
With SaaS, you simply use ready-made software online without installing or maintaining it.
Salesforce is one of the world's leading cloud computing platforms. Salesforce delivers ready-to-use business applications like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. Salesforce also provides a powerful platform to build custom apps, automate processes, and integrate with other systems.
With Salesforce, businesses manage customers, automate work, analyze data, and build custom solutions, all in one cloud. Start your cloud computing and Salesforce journey with SkillsMate solutions and build a successful career in the cloud.